Hey everyone, if you're a coffee freak and want to have a sip of coffee even while on the go, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to unbox Coffeemate 300 from the brand Borosil. It's a 300 ml thermostat flask which is of excellent quality and also comes with warranty. Before that, if you're watching our videos regularly and haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I request you to do it now and support the channel. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. If you like the product, I'll leave the links in the description below. Please use the affiliate link to buy one for yourself so that it will be very helpful for our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye.